Okay, we'll be going through Nan Hua Primary School end of year paper for questions that my student has asked. Okay, we'll go straight to question 4. If they tell you to write 2 and 6/20 as a decimal, 6/20 is actually 3/10. You understand why 6/20 is 3/10? No?
Yes.
3/10 in decimal is
0.3.
0.3. So 2 plus 0.3 equal to 2.3. So in decimal, the answer is part 3. Oh, get it?
Yes.
You need to understand 6/20 is 3/10. 3/10 is 0.3.
Okay.
And question 5. What is the number when 100.52 is rounded to 1 decimal place? So if I round up to 1 decimal place, I should look at 5 or 2. You should look at 2 because 1 decimal place.
Okay.
Oh, you look at 2. So 2 you round down, right? You round down is 100.50. 100.50 is 100.5. That's why part 2 is the answer.
Okay.
Okay, question 6. In the figure, ABCD is a square. Okay, ABCD is a square. Find angle R. Okay, your angle, maybe I ask you, 22 degrees plus R plus 28 degrees equal to how many? Can you tell me what's the degrees here?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So 22 plus R plus 28 equal to? Equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. So your R is equal to? How to find R?
28 plus 22, then minus 90.
22 plus 28 is how many?
Equals 50.
And R equal to?
9.
R equal to how many?
R equals to 40.
R equal to 40. 90 minus 50. Right?
Okay.
Okay, question 8. Operating hours of Happy Pets veterinary. The vet. Okay, then the Monday to Friday, right?
Yeah.
It opened from 8:15 to 9:45 p.m. Okay.
Okay.
Saturday, right? It opened from 9:45 to 7:30. So 9:45. Okay, 7:30 p.m. right? You change 7:30 p.m. to 24 hours time zone. So 7:30 p.m. is equal to how many hours? 24 hours time zone. So this one will become you plus a 12, no? You plus a 12, you know already. 12 plus 7 is 19.
7.
You know how I get 19, huh?
Yeah.
You plus 12. Whenever you change PM to 24 hours, you plus 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So 19 hours, 30 minutes.
Okay.
But they want Saturday, right? So 19 hours, 30 minutes minus 9 hours, 45 minutes. That's equal to how many hours? That's equal to 18 hours, 90 minutes minus 9 hours, 45 minutes. Oh, you understand this working here?
Yes.
Well, 30 minutes, I borrow 1 hour, right? So I plus 60. Well, 30 cannot minus 45. Right? So I borrow an hour from 19 hours. Oh, understand the logic?
Yes.
So I borrow 60 minutes, right? Like
Yeah.
30 plus 60 is 90 minutes. So 90 minutes minus 45 minutes equal to 90 minus 45 is 45. 18 hour minus 9 hour is how much?
9 hours.
9 hours. So what's the answer?
9 hours and 45 minutes.
Okay, that's how you get 9 hours, 45 minutes. Oh, you understand now how to do?
Yes.
Okay, then question 9. Okay, at the museum, 5/7 of the visitors were adults and the rest were children. Okay, at the museum, 5/7 visitors are adults, the rest are children. So what fraction are children? What is the fraction that are children?
105 minus 5 over 7.
Wrong. Your concept of fraction is terrible. After I teach you almost for 1 year, still don't get it. 5/7 are adults, so what fraction is the children? 5/7 are adults more. So the residual fraction is 2/7. You understand why 2/7?
No.
Because 1 whole is how many? 1 whole is 7/7. Okay? Minus 5/7 equal to 2/7. That's how you know it's 2/7. Okay?
Okay.
You get it now?
Yes.
Because till now, you still can't tell me what's a fraction, or I suggest you go and do foundation maths next year because it's not helping you. I mean, you have to consider taking foundation maths. Foundation maths will be easier, but you have to work very hard also. Well, next year, P5, the maths won't be so easy already. Next year, primary 5, the maths will be harder. So you have to let me know. So this 27 are children. So 105 adults, right? So how many units are 105? How many units?
5/7.
Or 5 units. Okay, 5 units is 105. Because 5/7. So 1 unit equal to how to find 1 unit?
Divide.
You tell me what divide by what?
105 divided by 5.
105 divided by 5. Very good. So this one will become 21. Okay, 105 divided by 5 is 21. So 1 unit is 21. So how many units you're looking at? How many children are there? You need to find how many units?
2 units.
2 units because 2/7.
21
So
plus 21.
21 times 2. Try not to use 21 plus 21. Okay, use 21 times 2. Oh, understand?
Okay.
Use times 21 times 2. 21 times 2 will give you
42.
42. So answer is 42. Okay?
Okay.
You have to work very hard. This holiday, you have to work very hard.
What holiday?
Sorry?
What holiday?
This holiday, you're having
Tomorrow's
holiday.
not holiday.
You're having holiday now already.
No.
You are. No exam.
Oh, no.
Correct? You
I
don't have
still have
exam, right?
school.
Oh, no? But holiday, your holiday is also coming. Question 17. Okay, Jamie had 4 times as many bits as Kenny. So you have Jamie, you have Kenny, Jamie has 4 times, right?
Yeah.
So you draw 4 cards. Oh, understand the model?
Yes.
Jamie had 800 bits, right?
Yeah.
So each one represents 200, isn't it? Oh, you understand how I get 200 for each?
Yeah.
You understand, no?
No.
Huh? You don't understand?
No.
800 divided by 4.
Oh, okay.
Huh? Like this kind of thing, I expect you to understand. 800 divided by 4, you get 200 each. Okay?
Okay.
That's how you know it's 200 for each.
Okay.
Then after Jamie gave Kenny some bits, they each had the same number of bits. So Jamie gave Kenny some bits. They each have the same number of bits. So this is a part given away. So this is the part she gave to Kenny, right?
Yeah.
Then can you see this part here is how many? This part here is 600. 200 times 3 600.
Okay.
600 divided by 2. 300. So she give away 300. Lor.
Okay.
Oh, you understand why 600 divided by 2?
Yes.
From the model, you can tell.
Yeah.
That's why I have to draw model. Okay, next question. Okay, Kelly has fewer than 15 coins. When she packs the coins into bags of 3, she has no coins left. When she packs the coins into bags of 4, she has 1 coin left. How many coins does Kelly have? She packs the coins into bags of 3, right? So multiple of 3 lah.
Okay.
Multiple of 3. Okay, fewer than 15 coins lah. Okay. She has no coins left, right? She packs the coins into bags of 4. She has 1 coin left. So I need to plus 1, right? Oh, now you know. Oh, understand? Do you understand what I just did? Oh, Annabelle, you are muted.
Yes.
Do you understand how I get 9? Do you understand why I plus 1?
Because when it's 3 bags, then 0 left. Then when it's 4 bags, got 1 left. That's why you plus 1.
I plus 1 because 1 coin left. I plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 12 plus 1 is 13. Then the one that's common is 9. That's how you know answer is 3.
Okay.
Okay? Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question 20. Total number of children in this block of flats. Okay, 0 children, number of families. This is how many? 14, right?
Yeah.
14 times 0 is 0. Then this is how many family? 24, right?
Yeah.
24 times 1 is 24. Then this one is how many? 32. Do you agree with 32?
Yes.
32 times 2. You have 2 children. Oh, you know why 32 times 2?
Yes.
You have 2 children each family, so 64. 32 times 2 is 64. Then 3 children is 12, right?
Yeah.
12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 3, 36. Because 3 children in each family. So total number of children is 36.
Oh, okay.
Then they're asking for total number of children in the block. So you add together. You add these three together.
Okay.
You add together. You have 64, 36, 24, add together, 0, 14, 6 plus 1, 7, 10, 1, 2, 4. Answer is number 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay?
Okay.
Understand now?
Yeah.
$23. Okay, what is the missing number? You know what to do?
No.
This one, what is the pattern? How did 13,000 become 12,400?
12,400. 13,000 minus 12400.
No. No. Yeah, you minus off, then you get 600 lah. So you know it's minus 600, right?
Yeah.
Then this one? Is it minus 600?
No.
You see carefully.
12400 minus 11800.
Is it 600?
Yes.
So minus 600 again. So what is this number here? How to find this number?
Minus 600.
Which number minus 600?
11200 minus 600.
Then what's the answer?
One 1400.
Wrong. You minus 600. What you have?
One 10600.
Yes, 10600. That's the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Then what's the answer for 24? You do the multiplication, then you tell me what's the answer. You know how to multiply, right?
Yeah.
You do the working, 1390 times 5.
Okay. Six nine 50.
Correct, 6950. This question you could do what? Then this one, 27. 27, how to do?
Don't know.
You don't know? 1 minus 1 over 8 is how many?
7 over 8.
7 over 8. Okay, this part is 7 over 8. So
Yeah.
7 over 8 minus 1/4. How to do?
Oh,
Change the denominator to,
the same.
which is
2 over 8.
2 over 8. You mean change
4
one
over
quarter?
8.
You mean change 1/4 to 2 over 8 lah?
4 over 8.
1/4 is 2 over 8.
Oh, 2 over 8.
Oh, 1/4 is 2 over 8. Oh, you know why?
Yes.
Because 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer is, what's the answer?
5 over 8.
5 over 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 over 8. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question. 30. 3 papaya and 1 watermelon is 1215. Okay, 3 papaya, 1 watermelon is 1215. Understand the model?
Yes.
Watermelon weighs 2 times as heavy as a papaya. Understand?
Yes.
So this one altogether, how many P are there?
3.
So altogether, this whole thing, how
5.
many P? 5 P. So one papaya is how to find one P? 5 P is 1215. 1 P is
1215 divided by 5.
yes. Answer is you do the long division and you tell me what's the answer. You do finish and you tell me what answer you have.
Okay.
Because by right now, you should know how to do long division. What is 1215 divided by 5? Your
I'm still doing.
Okay, hurry up.
Two, 4, 3.
243. Very good. Okay, that's the answer. All right.
Okay.
You understand now?
Yes.
Okay, question 31. Parameter
Can I go to
of
the
the
toilet?
Okay lah, we go toilet lah. Okay, I resume the recording. Okay, now we're going to take a look at this question, right? They ask find the
106.
parameter of the figure. You managed to find 106. You managed to find
No, I did find it, but I calculate wrongly. I calculate 105, not 106.
It's 106 lah answer.
Yeah,
So you know how to get 106.
but I calculate wrongly. Then I get 105.
Okay, I show you how to get 106 lah.
No, I know how to do.
You know how to do
Yeah.
You know how to do If you know how to do, I will skip this question already
Okay.
Okay, you know how to do, then we move on to the next question. Okay, 34. Mel make 9 large identical stars using wire. Okay.
Okay.
She had 0.84 meter left. If she had 12 meters of wire at first, what's the length of wire she used to make each star? You know what to do?
No.
You see, she had 12 meters at first. She had 0.84 left. Okay. 12 meters at first, 0.84 left. So this is the part she used to make the star.
Okay.
So what is this length here? How to find this length? You cannot tell me how to find the length.
0.84.
0.84 is what is left. You cannot tell me how to find. Your maths so terrible until you cannot tell me how to find. You see, I draw the model. Okay, this whole thing is 12 meters. Okay, this whole thing is 12 meters. She had 12 meters of wire at first. Okay, she made 9 identical stars. Okay, 9 identical stars. And she left with 0.84 meter. So this part that she used to make the star, what's the length? You cannot tell me how to find this length here.
12 meter minus 0.84.
Yes, 12 minus 0.84. Okay, 12 minus 0.84, what's the answer? You know how to calculate the decimal?
No.
If it's 12 meters, right, you write 12.00. Because 0.84 is 2 decimal place, right? So you use 12.00. Then 0.84, you minus. Then you do per normal. 0, you have to borrow, right? Then you do your working, how you usually do. Then you tell me what answer you have. You do finish the working, you tell me what answer you have.
Okay. One 26. 1.26.
Not 0.26. You try again. You make hairless somewhere. 0.26, oh.
1.16.
11.16, yes. So what is the length of wire she used to make each star? So one star would be
1.16 divided by 9.
yes. Okay, you divide by 9, you tell me what answer you have. You do your long division, 11.16 divided by 9. Then you tell me what answer you have. Because by right now, you should know how to do all this long division. So I won't handhold you already. So you do yourself and you tell me what's the answer you have.
One point 244. 1.24.
Very good. So answer is 1.24 meter. Okay?
Okay.
You know what to do already, yeah? I can understand now.
Yes.
You have to draw model at times if you don't understand.
Okay.
35. Okay, Miss Lim had 1,200 stickers. She kept 528 stickers for herself and gave the rest with some students. Each student received 7 stickers. How many students were there? Okay, can you tell me how to find the number of stickers, right, that she gave to her students? Oh, you know how to find the number of stickers that she gave to her students? It's quite straightforward.
1200 minus 528.
Very good. So you minus, you down.
Equals, then divide by 7.
Yes. So equal to what? You do the working and you tell me what's the answer.
Okay. 672.
672. Very good. Okay, that's the number of stickers that Miss Lim gave to a student. Then how many students were there? What must you do to find the number of students?
672 divided by 7.
Very good. You know what to do. Then you divide and you tell me what's the answer you get. You're not looking at the solution or when you tell me the answer. Now, Annabelle. Annabelle, are you looking at the solution when you tell me the answer?
I'm looking at my answer when I tell you my answer.
You're only looking at your own answer. Okay.
Yeah. $96.
96. Very good. Okay, this one you know what to do already. Yeah. So answer is 96. Okay, 39. 39 and 40. Okay, 39 and 40, yeah. Okay, a company sold a total of 100 computers during 7-day sale. The line graph below shows the number of computers left unsold at the end of each day. Study the graph carefully and answer questions 38 to 40. So day one, what is day one represent how many? Okay, first you need to know each gap represent how many, right?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So can you tell me each gap represent how many?
Each gap represent 1 day.
No, each gap here. How many gaps are there here?
4.
You see, 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, 5 gaps. There are 5 gaps.
5 gaps.
Can you see? Can you see?
Yes.
I just count for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps. 5 gaps is 20. Oh, this is 21. So 5 gaps is 20.
Okay.
So each gap is 5 gaps is 20. Each gap is how many?
5.
5 gaps is 20, right? Each gap would be not
20
5,
divided by 5.
That's equal to 20 divided by 5 is
4.
4. So each gap is 4. So you know now each gap represents 4, right? So
Yes.
80, day 1, right, would be 80. How many? There's how many gaps on 80? Two gaps away from 80, right?
Yeah.
So each gap represents 4. So 80 plus 2 gaps. Each gap represents 4, right? So 2 gaps represent 8. So 80 plus 8, 88. Okay?
Okay.
Then this one, this one is how many? Day 2. Day 2 will be one gap away from 60, right?
Yeah.
So each gap represents 4. So day 2 will be how many?
6. 56.
56. Day 2 will be 56. Day 3?
Day 3 will be
Exactly 40. Let's see, it's exactly 40. Day 3.
yes.
Day 4?
Day 4
will be 20 plus how many? 2 gaps.
26.
28. Each gap is 4.
Oh,
Two gaps, what? 2 gaps is 8, right? So it's 28. Day 5?
Day 5.
Day 5 is exactly 20. Can you see?
Yes.
Day 6. Day 6 is 1 gap from 20. Each gap is 4. So 1 gap from 20 is what? Day 6 is how many?
Day 6 is 26.
No. You think before
16.
you 16. 16. Okay, because it's 1 gap away from 20. Okay, now you have the number of computers left at the end of each day, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the 1 day period was the most computers sold? Okay, most computers sold is which day? Which line is the steepest? Is it this one?
88.
Is this the steepest?
Yes.
So 88 and 56, how many computers were sold?
88.
Okay, they're asking for which 1 day period? That'll be day. Is it day 1 to day 2? Is it day 1 to day 2?
Yes.
Correct, day 1 to day 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, day 1 to day 2. Okay, what fraction of the computers were left unsold on day 4? So day 4, you left 28, right? 28 unsold, right? Day 4.
Yeah.
Then what fraction is left unsold? What must you do? 28 over 100.
Okay.
Because 100 computers.
Okay.
Reduce to lowest form, what you have?
Reduce to lower form have 14 over 50.
But it's still not the lowest form.
14 over 50.
It's still not the lowest form. What's the lowest form?
7 over 25.
Yes, 7 over 25. So instead of 14 over 50, you divide by 4. You divide by 4. You divide by 4 to get 7. Divide by 4 to get 25. So answer is what fraction? Answer is what?
7 over 25.
7 over 25. You got it already, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we move on to the next question. 41. Okay, Mrs. Tan had 38 kilograms of apples. 1/5 kilogram of the apples are rotten. She needed 3 kilograms of apples to make apple pie. How much more apples did Mrs. Tan need to buy? You know what to do?
No.
Why don't know? Straight away, you know how to find apples that are still not rotten, right?
No.
Huh? Why don't know? Is the figure is given there? Or?
1 over 5.
You see, this fraction here refers to quantity or fraction. This fraction refers to quantity or fraction.
Quantity.
Quantity, because there's unit. There's unit there, so it's quantity. So Mr. Tan had 38 kilograms of apples. So it's quantity, right? Then 1/5 kilogram are rotten. So how many kilograms are not rotten? You draw model, 38 kilograms.
3 over 8 minus 1 over 5.
Yes. Oh. 3 over 8 minus 1 over 5. So good apples left, right?
Yeah.
Amount of good apples left. So it's 38 minus 1 over 5. So what's the answer? 38 minus 1 over 5, what's the answer?
3 over 8 minus 1 over 5 is...
How to do? 38 minus 1 over 5. What must you do? How do you minus 38 minus 1/5? What must you do?
7 over 40.
You will have 7 over 40. How do you get 7 over 40?
3 over 8 minus 1 over 5.
So how do you get 7 over 40?
3 over 8 minus 1 over 5.
Then how do you get 7 over 40? You must change it to the same
Denominator.
So 3 over 8 will become?
3 over 8 will become 15 over 40.
Then 1/5 will become?
8 over 40.
Yes. Therefore, you get 7 over 40.
Okay.
So that's the good apples left. But she needed 3 kg to make apple pie. Then how much more she still need? She has 7 over 40 kg now. But she needed 3 kg to make apple pies.
Okay.
So not enough kg to make apple pies, right?
Okay.
No, does she have enough apple to make apple pie?
No.
No, right? So how much more she still need?
She don't know.
Huh? She don't know, but you know what? She had 7/40 kilogram now. But she needed 3 kg. So how much more you need to buy?
7 kg minus 3 kg minus 7/40.
Yes. And what's the answer?
Mm.
3 kg minus 7/40. What's the answer?
I don't know.
You don't know, you know. How to minus? Three minus 7/40. How to minus? You better make sure you know. You don't know, then you better make sure you know. How? What to do? I don't want to tell you what to do, lah. You tell me what to do. I tell you what to do, you keep forgetting. So you'll be the one telling me what to do, lah. 3 minus 7/40, what must you do? You should change the 3 to what?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Change the 3. Change the 3 to
not making a synchronized, not even a dot.
Change the 3 to what?他一直敲我后面。好 120. How to change the 3? You see, you need to change both to the same.
put together.
3 is 3
Mixed
over 1.
number.
3 is actually 3/1. Oh, are you aware 3 is 3/1?
Yeah.
Now they don't have the same denominator, right?
Yeah.
So before you minus, you need to change both to the same.
Denominator.
And what is the denominator you need to change to?
40.
You change both to denominator 40. So 3 you should change to
3 need to change to 12.
you change to 120.
1 to 0.
You change to 120 because you times 40. Okay, 1 times 40 give you 40. So 3 times 40, 120.
Okay.
So 120 minus 7, that will become 120, you minus 7. What is 120 minus 7? Simple subtraction, you cannot tell me the answer. Next year, primary 5. 100 and
113.
113. But they want it in mixed number. What must you do? One 13 divided by 40. What's the answer?
113 divided by 40.
What's the answer?
Let me do mine.
What's the answer? 113 divided by 40.
I'm still doing.
You tell me what's the answer?
I'm still doing.
You need to work out the remainder, by the way.
Okay.
Once you know the remainder, you know what is the fraction here already. So what is 113 divided by 40? Give 5 seconds, you can do already. What?
23.
No, not 23. You see, answer is 2. 2 times 40 is 80. 113 minus 80 is 33. So remainder is 33. So remainder is 33, right? 2 and 33 over 40.
But my remainder is 3.
So your working is wrong. Your remainder should be 33, not 3. Because you're dividing by 40. You're not dividing by 4. Hundred and 13 divided by 40 is 2. 2 times 40 is 80. 113 minus 80 is 33. So remainder is 33. Oh, understand?
Yes.
Okay. Your remainder has to be less than the divisor. So once you see the remainder less than divisor, that's the remainder. So 2 and 33 over 40. So she need to buy 2 and 33 over 40 kilogram. Okay, that's how much more apples she needs to buy. All right.
Okay.
No question,
No.
Ask you to redo, you know what to do,
I think.
because you are supposed to redo the questions from this paper from scratch. Okay? You have to redo 42. Oh dear, what did I do? Fast. What did I do? Okay. Okay. 0.2. Okay. Corinne saved twice as much as David. Eric saved $15.20 less than David. David saved $47.95 last month. How much money did they save altogether? So you draw model. You know how to draw model?
Yeah.
Okay. David saved a certain amount of money. Corinne saved twice as much as David, right?
Yeah.
Then Eric saved 15.20 less than David. Okay, understand?
Yes.
Then David saved $47.95 last month. Understand what I'm doing?
Yes.
Then Eric, you know how much he saved, right?
Yeah.
How much does Eric save?
Eric saved $15.20.
No. Eric saved $15.20 less than David. So Eric saved how
Don't you
much?
find David first, then minus 15?
No, David is given. David is given. Do you notice David is given?
But that's last month.
It's the same.
Okay. Then
There isn't a this.
47.95 minus 15.20.
Yep. And what's the answer?
Let me do. Three 2.75.
2.75.
Yeah.
That's how much Eric have, right?
Yeah.
Then how much they save altogether? How to find amount saved altogether? Can find any, right? How to find the amount that's saved altogether? You tell me how to find. From the model, you can do what?
47.95 plus 32.75, then plus 47.95 plus 47.95. Then
Correct, huh? But a better way will be 47.95 times 3. Times 3, you get this 3. Then plus 32.75.
then 95.90 plus 47.95 plus 32.75.
So what's the answer?
Two to 1.60.
221.60. Wrong, eh?
Huh?
47.95 times 3 is 143.85. 143.85 plus 32.75, you will get 176.60. You should get 176.60. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you do again now. You add this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. You add. You should get 176.60.
Okay.
Last question. 44. You know, still got 45. Still got 46. Well, still got so many questions. Huh? Okay, let's do 44. Okay, 44. Mr. Gopal filled 2 large bottles and 4 small bottles with 6.2 liter of lemonade. So 2 large, 4 small is 6.2 liter. Each large bottle could hold 0.7 liter more than each small bottle. So each large equal to 1 small plus 0.7. Oh, understand now?
Yes.
So 2 large would be 2 small plus 1.4. So 2 large is 2 small plus 1.4, right? So 2 large would be 2 small plus 1.4 plus 4 small equal to 6.2. Understand now?
Yes.
Then this one will be 6 small plus 1.4 equal to 6.2. 6 small would be 6.2 minus 1.4. So 6.2 minus 1.4 is 4.8. So 1 small would be 4.8 divided by 6 equal to 0.8. Okay? So answer is 0.8. Understand now?
Yes.
You understand now? You understand now? Because this one I go through very fast. I scared no time to let you do. You understand 44?
Yes.
Yes, so you do on your own, you know what to do. I'm going to remove the answer, you should know what to do.
Okay.
Okay, you
Can
know
I
what
go
to
take
do.
my eraser?
Hurry up, because you don't have much time left already. Okay, question 45. The figure below is made up of 1 large square and 4 identical rectangles. The length of the square is 12 meters. Each rectangle has a length of 6 meters. So from here you can see that, right, the length of the rectangle, right, is equal to 3 breadth. Are you able to see that?
Yes.
So 1 length equal to 3 breadth. So the length of the rectangle is 6 meters, right? Okay, the length of the rectangle is 6 meters. So in other words, that means 3 breadth is 6 meters. Because one length is 3 breadth. You understand the logic?
Yes.
So one breadth is 2 meters. Oh, you understand why?
Yeah.
One breadth is 2 meters. So area of each rectangle is what's the area of each rectangle?
Each rectangle.
Area of each rectangle.
6 times 2.
Yes, 6 times 2. 12 meters square. How many rectangles are there?
3.
Open your eyes. How many rectangles are there?
4.
4 rectangles. So area of 4 rectangles would be, how to find areas of 4 rectangles?
12 times 4.
Okay, equal to 48. So area of 4 rectangles is 48. Okay, area of this large square is? What's the area of the large square?
The large square, 12 times 12.
What is 12 times 12?
12 times 12 is
144, okay? 12 times 12 is 144. So what's the shaded area?
144 minus 48.
Yes, 144 minus 48. You are thinking, finally. 144 minus 48. What's the answer? Equal to 96. Okay, I got no time to let you do already. I got no time to wait for you to tell me the answer. Okay, 144 minus 48 is 96. So the answer is 96 meters square. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, get it now?
Yeah.
Okay, the next question, last question. Okay, a total of 3 cones are placed at equal distance along 2 lanes, AB and BC. What is the distance of lane BC? So 13 cones, right? So you have to draw out your 13 cones. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you draw out your 13 cones. So each gap, how many gaps are there here? Annabelle, are you paying attention?
Yeah. I'm
How many
counting.
gaps? How many gaps are there here?
3.
3 gaps. So 3 gaps is 12 meters. Each gap is
12 meters divided by 3.
so it's 4 meters. Each gap is 4 meters. How many gaps are there here? How many
9.
gaps are there? 9 gaps. So 9 gaps is 9 times 4, 36 meters. So what's the distance of BC? Answer right in front of you. Cannot tell me what's the distance?
36.
36. Because there are 9 gaps here. Okay? You know why I use 9 gaps, right? Because there are 9 gaps here.
Okay.
Because I draw out the cone. So the distance of BC is 36 meters. Okay?
Okay.
Understand now? Okay, you need to re-attempt this paper.